within this year?
If I'm not mistaken, late last year.
Late last year.
Yes.
Okay. So how is it being, an ambassadress for Hair Fix?
Well, first and foremost, Mom Nish, thank you for that introduction. Thank you for the message. You are a beautiful mom. And to all our guests here today, to all the moms out there, thank you so much. Maraming salamat po for joining us. If na mga Bisaya diha, maayong hapon sa inyong tanan. Salamat sa pag-alidiri. And for celebrating with us, thank you also to our Livestrong Hairfix family for inviting us here and to really watch the makeover of our moms today. And to get back to your question, being a part of the Livestrong family, the Hairfix family, has been such an absolute blessing and my pleasure working with them also. I'm sure you will agree with me, Francine, that they're really good at what they do. I really appreciate how they really do their best to take care of us. Especially today, I want to thank personally Miss Laika. If you're here, she's always very hands-on when it comes to really making sure that everything is on point, that all our deliverables are also really taken care of. And again, to Miss March and to Sir Lance for trusting us. First and foremost, for really trusting us to be a part of their brand. And I love how you said that you get inspired just by looking at us. Because, guys, if hindi nyo man po alam, ilang oras po kami nag-ready to look our best, to try and look our best. And I think that's also one thing that I really like about being with Hairfix and using the Hairfix products is kahit guys, 3 oras, 4 na oras kami nag-uwag, magamit lang ako ng shampoo, conditioner, all their treatments, kinabukasan, balik na ulit sila sa natural hair ko para walang nangyari. So, my hair is my crown and glory, it's well taken care of. So, lalaban tayo sa buhay pag maganda tayo, di ba guys?
Love it! Oh, I love the answer from Beauty Queen talaga. Grabe. Thank you, Tracy. How about Francine? How is it to be part of the Hairfix family? How was the experience?
Sobrang saya po. Sa sobrang saya, halos everyone nagpapalit po ata ako ng hair color.
Sobrang na-enjoy mo.
Sobrang na-enjoy po kasi kahit anong gawin ko sa hair ko, talaga hindi mo siya nadadamage. Unlike before, konting galaw ko lang sa hair ko, parang dead na ng hair ko. Pero ngayon, sobrang smooth and silky ng hair ko.
I love it. Very obvious naman. Ang gaganda ng mga hair, di ba?
Yes. Kaya sobrang grateful po ako na naging part ako ng Hairfix kasi hinhelp niyo po ako ma-discover kung paano ko i-maintain at i-keep ng healthy yung hair ko. Despite all the styling, all the damages na naaano sa hair ko, syempre pag magkukulit ka, grabe ang init yan, di ba? Pero with Hairfix, gagamit na lang ng daily treatments nila, talagang sobrang ganda talaga ng product ng Hairfix. Wala akong masabi.
Love it. So take it from the ones who are really using the product, di ba? It's not on the script, pero sobrang na-intrigued ako sa ganda ng hair nila. Of course, I know nag-prepare naman tayo for this day, di ba? But maybe our moms have questions that they can answer. Kahit one for each of them lang. Well, samantalahin natin. Nandito yung mga beauty queens natin. Baka we have one question for Tracy and for Francine na they can answer for us, especially on the products, the Hairfix products that they use for their hair. Meron ba tayo? Any questions from our mommies? How to look young. Galing din tayo doon. So, nauna lang tayo naging mommies. Wala namang any questions? Okay, so if wala, medyo nahihiya ating mga moms. Ako na lang kaya magtatanong. What is your favorite hair product from Hairfix and how do you use it and how do you recommend it to the mommies? Baka gusto rin nila i-try.
Ako personally, well, I use all of their products. Pero if there's one thing that I could highly recommend, it's their leave-on spray, which I actually have right here.
Ay, bongga, ready siya.
Ready ako sa bakbakan, guys. Pero kidding aside, ito talaga, I swear by this product. Kasi not only does it help me style my hair, but most importantly, pinoprotect niya yung hair ko. Again, as I mentioned, I always style my hair straight, kulot, banat, name it. dami ng pinagdaanan ng buhok ko, guys. Pero I'm so happy and I'm so proud to say na when you see me on a daily basis, on a normal day, walang makeup, no nothing, pagising ko sa umaga, malambot pa din yung buhok ko. Try nyo, guys. Just use this, especially on damp hair. Mas nag-work
I was
siya.
about to follow up question.
Yes, I noticed na mas nag-work siya for me if medyo basa yung hair ko. Kakatapos mo maligo, put on the shampoo, conditioner, and everything, the usual. Pero use the leave-on spray. There's collagen and peptide, pero meron din isang variant which is the protein and castor oil. So, yun guys, iba-iba naman yung gamit niya specifically for dull hair or if you want your hair more straight. So, meron tayong iba't ibang variant na mag-work sa inyo. Kung nag-work sa amin, na ganito, patay na yung buhok namin, mag-work siya sa inyo.
Love it. Nakaubos yan sa Watsons. Sinabi mo pa naman sa mommies. Eh kami, basta na-certify namin that something works, naku, yan na. Sobrang ano na kami dyan. Loyal na kami dyan. So thank you for sharing that, Tracy. And I'll make sure to grab one of those. Kailangan ma-try ko yan. And how about Francine?
I agree with Ate Tracy. Sobrang ano pa nito, collagen peptide castor oil, conditioner and shampoo, plus yung daily treatment nila.
Shampoo and conditioner na may castor oil.
Yes. Pero
Oh,
ako,
nice.
super fave ko yung isa din nila yung with vitamin C. Yan yung lagi kong ginagamit. Talagang kahit gano'n naka-bleach yung hair ko, talagang malambot at alay na alay pa rin ang buhok ko.
Yun naman yung important kasi syempre you use it for, syempre, di ba, gusto mo maganda yan. And every time you appear outside, kailangan ready yung hair natin. So, we have no choice but to use products na syempre eventually it will also ruin our hair. But thanks to Hair Fix, grabe, di ba, naaalagaan ng buhok. I love it. So, sa moms, I'm sure meron pa tayong mga mommies dito who haven't tried out Hair Fix products. Ako, I haven't tried the leave-on spray. I'm very excited. My gift giving! Thank you so much! I'm so excited to try it. May collagen pala siya, peptide, and castor oil. Kailangan natin to kasi, especially the castor, kasi pag may breakage na yung hair, di ba? Love it. So, lalo na tayo pag mommies, andyan na yung hair fall. Sino katulad ko na grabe ang hair fall? O, di ba? Kasi really? Kasi ako, I gave birth with twin boys 5 months ago. So, on the 3rd month, grabe. Pak! Pagkasuklay mo, pagka nag-shampoo ka, pak! Hulog. So, I think, kailangan natin i-try itong mga products na ito na may very active, healthy ingredients. Kasi, lalo na pag mommies tayo, and most of us, syempre, we breastfeed, di ba? Dapat mga gentle and mga ganitong products yung ginagamit natin sa hair natin. Para, di ba, it's also safe for our kids, for our babies. So,